Today I'm going to teach you how to do F2L. First, you make your white cross. F2L stands for first two layers. And then this is what a pair is going to look like. You're going to have one solid color here, one solid color here, and then this white piece, or the white corner. Then you take it to its place. And then you're going to move it out of the way, bring that up, and then insert it like that. So you match it up like that, move it out of the way, move the piece up where you're going to insert it, then insert it like that, move it back down. So how you make a pair is, I'll just run that one. So if you find a white corner piece, and then you find the top and bottom. So this is orange and blue. So then you'd find the orange and blue edge. And if on the white corner you have orange on top, and then this has blue, if these have different colors on the top, then you match it up like this. So you would move that down, but if there was a pair here, when you move it down, you have to make sure that you don't ruin a pair, but I'll tell you that once I get one pair inserted. So you would want to make it so you can go like this. So here's the pair. You want to make it so that this can go like that, and then it would make the pair. So you would move this piece. You would move this out of the way. So yeah, you would move this piece twice, or however many times you need to move it. And then you would move this piece back up. So then you would make it be orange and then the blue, and then you can go like that, and then it creates the pair. So how you insert that is you put the white edge here toward you, and you go, if it's on the right or left, you just pair it. You pair it like that, and you make that pair. And once you make it, the part that you need will be up. If you put the blue and orange piece matching with the blue, then you can move it up, move it over, and move it back down. And then if you have, let me get back to it, I'll just make it myself. Okay, so if you have the color on the top, so if you have the white edge on the top, or the white corner, then it's red-green, so then you would find red-green first. And once you find it, you match it. You match, since it's red-green, and this is on the front, so you match it with its pair. And then whatever color's on the top, you move it so there's green and blue, but you move it away from the green, or whatever color's on top. Then you move the edge to it, and then you bring it back up. So I'll show you that one more time. Move it, so away, wait for Sammy to get it back. Okay, so here, you move it away, so this is green, this is blue, away, and then you pair the white with the one that you just hid. So you would hide that, and then it'll be right here, so then you can just pair it like that, and you can move it over to pair it. So that's how you pair the one on the top. And then to insert, match it up like that. So then you would move it out of the way. You would move it out of the way. Bring the piece up that you need to insert it in, up, then you move it over, put it back down, and then that's inserted. But now you need to be careful, because you have two inserted. So when you go to hide, and if you hide it where there's a pair in the back, and you move it, it'll ruin that pair. So what you want to do is, I'll get an example of one. 1 second. Okay, so when you go over to hide it if it's in the wrong spot. So I have different colors. So if it's in the wrong spot, you want to make sure that there's not one here when you move it up. You move that up, but then you're doing the pair back here. So you need to make sure it's empty in the back when you move it up. And you can move it and then insert it. But if there's same colors on top, like same colors is hard to get. So I'll be back when I get same colors. So I found, I got a same colors on top. It's the orange-blue corner piece. And you would find your orange-blue, which is right here. So they have same colors on top. If you have that, you want to move your white edge to where you can move it sideways without taking out any pairs, like this. See how that's taking out the pair? You want to make sure that it doesn't take out a pair when you move it sideways. So move it sideways, and then once you move it sideways, so you move it sideways, and then you bring the edge piece. So you would bring the edge piece over to where you can do this. Wait, I got confused. Yeah, so then where you can go like that, you can do your face back again and pair it. So you want it to be, one second. Okay, so you want this piece to be able to go sideways, and then when you move it over, you want to move it back up the same way and make a pair. And I'm pretty sure that's all the F2L pairs. So different colors, you up, over, insert. I'm just giving you a little recap on that because I got one. So different colors, you want to make it where you don't, when you move it over, you don't take out any pairs, and then you move it over to make it like that. You take the piece, the white corner piece, over to match with the green center, or whatever center is right here. And then you go over to pair it, or you need to move it to where it's able to pair. So you move it to pair it, and then you move it over to insert it. And that's F2L.